If you've been trying to save money on Upwork, whether it's for buying connects or using premium services, this video is going to help you out. A lot of people don't realize that there are active promo codes and discount pages out there, but you just have to know where to look. So today, I'm breaking down the best and latest Upwork promo codes for 2025 and showing you exactly where you can find them instantly. The first place you'll want to check is Upwork's coupon page on Worth Penny. Just open your browser and search for Upwork Worth Penny coupons. This page regularly features deals like free gifts, limited time promos, and percentage-based discounts, sometimes 20%, 10% or more, especially on Upwork Connects. It's one of the most frequently updated coupon sources, so it's definitely worth checking often. Bookmarking it can save you time later and help you stay on top of new offers as soon as they go live. Next, search for Volk's Upwork coupon page. Type Upwork Volks into your search bar. This site usually lists some of the higher value promo codes, sometimes offering up to 50% off selected Upwork services. If you're trying to stretch your connects or reduce your spending, this is a great spot to bookmark. It's also a good idea to check for seasonal or limited time promos here, as they often appear before other coupon sites. For the third website, head over to DealSpot's Upwork promo section. Just search DealSpot Upwork promo codes. What I like about this site is that it highlights discounts by month, so you can quickly see what's active right now. Scroll down and you'll find a full list of all currently available codes and offers. DealSpot also sometimes includes tips on which codes work best for new users versus existing subscribers, which can help you save even more. Finally, check out the simply.com Upwork store page. Search Simply Upwork promo codes. Once you're there, scroll down to view all the live discounts, especially for Connect packages. This site is straightforward and often lists codes that other coupon pages miss. I've added direct links to all 4 websites in the description to make everything easy for you. A quick tip: always double check the terms and expiration dates on promo codes so you don't try one that's expired. If this helped you save a little extra on Upwork today, go ahead and hit that like button. It's free, unlike Connects. And if you want more tips, tools, and money-saving tricks for freelancers, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy promo code using